Okay, in this video you're gonna see my newly installed 5-pipe Stebel horn. This is the one. Then I'll show you the 5 pipes. Here, as you can see, we got 2 pipes here, one and the other one too. On the right side we got only one, the bigger one. Bigger one. Now the count is 3, so the 4th one is here. I tried to hide this one, but unfortunately I couldn't. This is the second largest pipe of all. So this has been placed here. I've covered this in black tape so that it won't be visible for the cops. Then this is very rigid. When you go to any installation shop, they might try to put this pipe inside the tank, and the pipe would obviously be popping out like this, which would create a lot of vibrations and everything. So ask them. I would advise, if at all, if you're going to install 5 pipe, the best place for the 3rd pipe to be installed is here, wherein the pipe would actually be seated in the spark plug so that it won't have much vibrations. Then you can tag the pipe along with this horn holder so that even this side the vibration could be reduced, and tape it all with a black tape so that it won't be visible normally. And the last 2 pipes, the last pipe is here inside, which you can see. It will be underneath the seat. This is the smallest of all, so that it will be easy for you to install it under the tank. And let me fire the pipes. Well, this is not the sound, or this is not the tune. I've just changed the tunes. If you want to change it, you can just unplug those, plug it back in. Well, you can change the tunes as much as you want. Like, it's up to you to, but it comes with the colors, and you need to match on the colors with the same ring or the same colors which is there in the pipe. If you do it, you'll get the normal original sound. But I find it is a bit boring to use the same old sound, so what I did is that I just changed 2 pipes so that you get different sounds. So I'm just doing it. Let me see what I come up with right now. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna just connect the correct colored pipes to these respective knobs so that you can get the original tune of this 5-pipe Stebel horn. So for that, I need to remove the tank so that I can find which tube is corresponding, like which is the one which is corresponding to this color. Let me open up the tank. 1 second. Okay, now the tank has been removed, so let us choose the colors. This one has got a blue, so let's track this one. Okay, it is with the blue. Okay, next, this red one. Let's see this one. Oops. Oh. Okay, this is the one. This is the red one. So I'm just gonna unplug everything. Oh, once again. There's a blue one. Let's see it now. Blue one. There's the one. Okay, this is the one. Which is. Okay, this is the blue one. So we'll just connect this to the blue one. This is just an empty. And let's go for the red one. This is the red one. Let's go here. Okay. This is the one for the red. Done. This side, I believe this is the black one. Yes, there's a black one. Comes over here. Here. And this is the black. It's been connected to the black. Now there's only one thing that has been left. Sorry, two things have been left. One is the one green. The other one is this yellow. So let's just try this. Okay, this one goes here, the yellow. The last, not the least, goes to the one which is the green. Actually, I lost the tag here. I don't know where it is or how it has been. Okay, now everything has been fixed. Oh, which one second? Let me just get the keys. Okay, now all the irons are in place. Let me fire this. That's the tune. That's the original tune of Stebel 5-pipe horn. Once again. Thank you. I hope you would have enjoyed this.